Hello, my name is Scott Kalovic. I just want to thank you for a minute of your day. I'm here today to talk to you about an organization that's near and dear to my heart. It's called Homes of Living Hope. We are an organization that develops containers and connects communities. Wait a minute, it's probably better if I just show you what we do. Communities stateside, or anywhere in the world for that matter, bring containers to their sites, and then a whole community comes together where that container gets painted on the outside, gets built out on the inside into whatever it's going to become, whether it's a medical clinic or a library or some sort of service to the destination community. We do all that's necessary to insulate it and build it out. People of all ages are absolutely invited to help. In fact, one of the things I love about Homes of Living Hope is that you don't have to go to some foreign destination to help out. We're not asking people just, hey, give me your money and don't do anything else. We're asking them for your time, your effort, your resource. We pack these containers full of what we call buckets of love with books and bikes and balls and whatever might help the kids on the other side. We put these containers, when they're finished, back up on the truck, and we ship them off to wherever they're going, to the destination community. The community opens up the container and they get the benefit of the temporary things like the bikes and the books and the balls, but they also get the benefit of a medical clinic in their community or whatever the project entails. I want to just take your moment today and say, please help us. We're offering an opportunity to you on Colorado Gives Day. It comes on December 8th. This year. We'd like you to take part with us to help us as an organization to have the funding necessary to keep this going. I won't belabor the point. Just know this: if you want to check out more about Homes of Living Hope, you can go to homesoflivinghope.org. Please remember us on December 8th this year, and God bless you.